katika mtihani huo.
Since I started school, I have always had the support of my parents, teachers, and my colleagues, and having them, it has been a great honor for me. The marks that you have gotten as a class, it's through hard work.
I thank my teachers and my parents. They've always given us support through our journey. And for this day, I'm very much excited because I always prayed to score more than 420 marks, and I've scored it, so I'm very much excited.
I thank God for the good results because I've done hard work and my teachers have helped me in everywhere that if any topic I didn't understand, they tried to make me understand, and I thank them for that. And a lot of support from my parents, directors, and everybody.
Naam, hongera.